Hi, today in front of me Huawei P60 Pro and I'll show you how to turn off always on display option on this device. So first we should just open the settings and tap to home screen and wallpaper section. Then click here to wallpapers to always on display, and here you will see the always on display swatcher. Just tap once on the swatcher. Now the option is turned off, and let's just lock the device to track it. So we could see that the always on display option successfully disabled. That's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.